What's up, everyone? This is Rick with UTV Source, and this is the EVO Powersports Magnum Twin-Exit exhaust with the blued stainless tips. We're going to be installing it on this brand new Polaris Pro R today. The Magnum Twin-Exit exhaust paired with a Magnum header is going to give you guys the total package for sound, tone, and performance. Make sure you're on the website. If you can, pick up the whole package through Pro R.